What's up, everyone? Before this video starts, check it out. So we got stuff piling up all over the place. We've got forged rods, we got wheel spacers, we got fender flares, we've got wastegate springs, we've got stuff to cut the fenders, we've got a new flywheel for this piece of crap, we've got the fluid damper for the Miata. I mean, things are really starting to pile up. We've got all the stuff over there for more drift crap, so stay tuned for that. Also, disclaimer, okay? My speedometer does not work. Do not gauge the speed of the car by that. Use your brain, gears, RPMs, do your own math, okay? But I will tell you right now that the speedometer, it's got 230,000 miles on it, something like that. The transmission's got 230-something thousand miles, maybe even more. The whole chassis is numbers matching car, okay? So it's just old. It doesn't work. It's just in there, but it kind of spins, not near as much as it should. If you're watching the speedometer and you're hearing the gears, again, do your own math. You'll get an idea of what the car is doing. But I just want a disclaimer real quick. That's not how fast the car is going. So, yeah. All right. Enjoy. What's up, everybody? Monkey Mike back again. Got my brother Darren in the car. I'm going to take him for a rip. This is his first time in it, so we're going to get his reaction.
Actually gets up and goes. I see your boost gauge isn't working.
I don't have it hooked up. Ah, it's just in there. You got to keep in mind, it's only 6 PSI too. So I mean, this is only a third of the boost I plan on running.
Yeah, this is all you need, in my opinion. But then again, I am not going to go as grotesque.
I hope not. The word we're looking for is ignorance. Pure ignorant.
What are you talking about?
That's what I'm building. Pure ignorance. Pure unadulterated. What the fuck?
Oh, doesn't show me where I'm pointing anymore.
Oh, don't worry about it. It's got a pretty wide angle on it. I mean, you can just tap it.
Oh, we don't advertise.
If the battery goes dead, I got one in my pocket.
We don't care who you work for.
No sponsors.
No sponsors.
No
And nobody
sponsors.
likes them anyway. What am I
What do you think?
I like it. She's pretty. Definitely gets up and goes. Are we going down the furway?
Oh, we're just gonna jump and I'm gonna take you around a few turns a bit so you can really feel it.
The furway. Freeway.
My usual favorite spot to go.
Oh, okay.
I'm just glad she's shifting right. I just had to extend the pedal rod.
No money shift?
No money shift.
No money shift.
For the first time since I've had it, the clutch is actually adjusted properly.
Man, I hate it when you get it in the wrong spot and then all of a sudden you got a wet face.
Bam! Yeah, the fact that I can put it in gear and just let off.
Oh, look at that, boys. Looks like we got ourselves a convoy. God damn, it's a lot of
fact that it's got your butthole puckering already, dude. You know what I'm saying? Like, can you imagine another 150 horse?
Oh yeah.
That's what we're going for.
I can see you doing it.
So what do you think about that lock diff?
It's I don't even notice it. To honestly,
that's what I thought. I expected a lot more
chirpy.
Yeah, anything. It's just it pushes through so fucking hard, even with the power we have right now. Now keep in mind, this is still stock pistons and rods and a dramatically open ring gap with a thicker MLS. So it's got less compression than yours does.
Yeah, but you also got a lot more going in.
Only 6 PSI. It's not really a lot.
Well, more than what I got.
Yeah.
But you can definitely hear that turbo winding.
So I want to run the CRV now.
So, how much did your clutch cost you?
I got this clutch and flywheel, 10-pound flywheel, 6-puck clutch for $200.
Was it off a Flying Miata?
eBay. Ooh. It'd be more than enough for your application.
Oh yeah. I mean,
I don't think it's gonna hold. Well, yeah, because I think once you get used to it, you're gonna be like, "Hey, man, can we turn it up?" Yes, sir. Yes, we can.
Doesn't even feel like we're going that fast, but you know, you're already going almost double. It's amazing.
I'm really happy with the torque too.
Oh yeah.
What it is.
But that motor.
It builds peak boost at 3,300. From 3,300 up, it's just full boost.
Was that rocks?
Probably.
Yeah. I
Tires
see.
are nice and warm.
Yeah, I don't hear any scraping going on.
Nope, I have, like I said, I have the suspension pretty dialed.
Nice. Alright.
Kind of wish I had another camera pointing at you.
Just that one moment. Gets up and goes.
Right?
We'll have to do a quarter mile with her now.
I want to put the 6-speed in first. Closer gear ratio, and it takes more abuse. So when I do a shock load on it, I'm not so worried about breaking something.
Nice.
But I mean, considering that we have a better turbo, it's going to get a supercharger. It's getting coil on plug, so I'll be able to run a more aggressive timing. This is only on 91. If I put it on E85, it'll make even more.
Really?
Yeah, because I'll have less knock. I've got it tuned pretty conservatively right now. I mean, listen to that idle, dude. Name another turbo car that idles like that.
I don't know. I've never driven too many turbos.
None?
I mean, my diesel, it idles pretty nicely.
Yeah.
But that's because it's a Cummins. I don't mind going fast in a straight line. I just don't know why it bugs me on corners.
No, you don't know what's around it.
Yeah.
But you got to keep in mind, this car is built for drifting.
Yeah.
So, max grip is the first thing I go for. Second thing is be able to control it while sliding. I haven't got it to break loose yet.
Really?
Nope, not yet.
car is fucking beautiful. I couldn't ask for more. Drag ass,
Pretty much.
If you want to get a good figure of what that looks like, it's a Pomeranian dragging its butt across the grass because it got shit stuck to its ass. That would be me on Laguna Seca currently.
We'll get that taken care of. I love how all you hear is turbo. All right, bro. So, what do you think?
I like it.
You look like you got like a chin titty, like a chin bra.
Yeah,
you're mad. You're mad.
If you tickle my nose a little bit, I get wet.
Ooh.
I know.
Party favor.
I know.
All right, well, we're gonna let this hog cool down. If you made it to the end, thank you very much. I appreciate you being here. I just want to let you know that I do got some new springs, and I also have that boost controller and Mac valve, so I will be turning the boost up here soon, and then we'll go out to Mexico and really do some playing, see exactly what it can or can't do. Let me know if you enjoyed the video, what you thought of it, if you want to see more stuff like that. And don't forget, we still got that giveaway happening too, so I just want to remind you guys that that is still happening. It did just disappear. There's a few people that have asked. So hope you all are doing good. Stay safe out there. We'll see you next time. Peace.